The late Virginia Giuffre's memoir was released today, and it is a chilling account that exposes sexual and brutal violence and abuse. Virginia Giuffre goes into graphic detail here about how she was abused at the hands of a prime minister in 2002. She doesn't name him, but there have been some speculation as to who this is. And she basically says that they were on Jeffrey Epstein's island, quote, Little St. Jeff's, and she was brutalized to the point that it prompted her to finally try and escape Jeffrey Epstein's grasp. She describes this prime minister basically choking her until she was unconscious and repeatedly raping her, brutalizing her to the point that she was bleeding from her mouth and from other private parts. She also talks about the abuse at the hands of Prince Andrew, the sexual abuse. She describes being with him 3 times when she was a minor. He has always denied these allegations, but she says that, she was scared. She was scared of the royal family because of what happened to Princess Diana. And I am obviously, I haven't finished the book yet. I just started, but I also want to point out that the book was released amid some weird timing with a federal court filing, and this filing was pertaining to a case against Giuffre from 2021. A woman named Rina O. Amen was suing her for defamation because Giuffre had posted on social media and made a bunch of claims that Amen was a co-conspirator, basically, of Jeffrey Epstein, and she took part in abusing Giuffre. And Amen said, I'm an artist, and Giuffre has done irreversible damage to my reputation, and I am seeking $20 million in damages. Well, Giuffre's lawyers, when she died in April of 2025, they shortly after that submitted a motion to dismiss this lawsuit, citing her untimely death. Well, a judge denied this basically until they can appoint an interim person who is handling her estate. That has not been done yet. So as of yesterday, October 20th, 2025, Virginia Giuffre's lawyer said, okay, let's get a hearing in place so we can discuss who will be the interim estate holder. So that hearing is going to take place in November, but I just thought that was crazy, chilling timing. So our prayers go out to all survivors of abuse, and if you are experiencing any type of abuse, please call this domestic violence hotline.